Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix FireStick Blinking Yellow Light. So in order to fix the issue, what you can do is you can simply try to replace your batteries and check that they are inserted correctly. Second thing, you need to move your remote closer to your FireStick TV device and it should be within the 10 feet or 3 meters range. Third thing that you can try is you can simply unplug your Fire TV device from the power cord or the adapter and the HDMI port for 30 seconds. Then you just have to plug it back in. If none of the method is working for you, then you can try to use the Fire TV application to pair your remote again. And in the final step, you can even try to reset your Fire TV remote. So these are some of the things that you need to do whenever you face this type of yellow light problem in your Fire Stick. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it does, do let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.